Okay, so now let's take a look at this same idea of finding angle measures and such, but we're going to be doing it kind of in a more complex version, kind of more steps, I guess you could say. So I have this x plus 49, and if I were to translate that, that would fit right here. And again, I have this x plus 54 right there, and I'm going to kind of rotate that around, and that would fit right on top of it. Ooh, let's clean this up. Let's clean it up. Here we go. All right, so first we got x plus 49. Nice little piece in there, and we can kind of extend this parallel line out. And then the red one, x plus, whoa, not blue, red, x plus 54 is going to go fit right there. And then I got red, blue, 85. All together adds up to 180. Now this is a little more challenging just because you have lots more variables and everything in it. So we would have x plus 49 plus x plus 54 plus the third one here, 85. So x plus 49 plus x plus 54 plus 85 equals 180. Well, that's a lot of work there. All right, let's see what we can do. If I were to, let's say, subtract 50 from each of these, that's at least a start. I'd still have x plus 49 plus x plus 4 plus 85 equals 130. That is going crazy now. So we got 49 and 4, that's 53. So I'm just going to make those 53. And then add 85 to that, and you got 138. So 2x plus 138 equals 130. Notice this, I'll subtract 130 from both sides. And you got 2x equals, 2x plus 1 plus 8 equals 0. So if I move the 8 over, that gives me 2x equals negative 8. X equals negative 4. Done, right? No. It says find the measure of angle A. So that means I got to plug it in here. So negative 4 plus 49. Well, that's like 49 minus 4, which is 45. So angle A, the measure of angle A, is equal to 45 degrees. Awesome. Lots more action going on in that one, but still the same concept. Those three angles, those three expressions, will add up to a straight angle, making it 180 degrees. All right, let's clean it up and look at this next one. 51. Okay. So what I'm looking at is I see a whole lot of stuff. So first, let's just take it one step at a time. I'm gonna find this red, because if I could find that red, I know that I could find some more. So let's start with the red part. I know that the red plus 60 plus 55 all add up to 180. Well, 60, oh, that's 55, not 50. Those two together make 115. So if I were to subtract 115 from both sides, what would we get? Well, let's see. That would tell me that the red one should have been 65. So this right here is 65. Now I want to go for this blue angle right there, because I know 65 plus 55 is going to give me this other one here. So I'd have 65 plus 55. Well, it's not going to give me that one, but I know that plus the blue, that all together, those make a straight line. They make a straight line right there. So that's 180 degrees. 65 and 55, that's 120. So if I subtract 120 from both sides, I would find out that this blue is equal to 60. Now I'm finally at the end. I have 60 and 40. And then I add a question mark, and that is adding up to 180. So if I subtract 100 from both sides, then I can get rid of these 60s and 40s. You get that the question mark equals 80. And that looks about 80. So that's it makes sense. Cool. I'm going to show you 54 because 52 and 53 are a lot like that last one. We'll wrap it up on here. So 54, here's what I see. I see 60 and 40. Wait, I just did something like that, 60 and 40. That means this one is 80 because those three things need to add up to 180. We've been seeing that pattern. But here's where it gets interesting. This 80 is equal to this 80 because of vertical angles. They're across from each other, so that means this side is 80 as well. Excellent. Now, if that is 80 and this is 36, that would mean that we would have 80 and 36 and the question mark total up to 180 because those three inside need to make that straight angle. I'm going to subtract 80 from both sides. That gives me 36 plus the question mark equals 100. Subtract 36. I got the question mark equals, well, I should have just subtracted 30. How about that? 6 plus the question mark equals 70. Then I'll subtract 6. Question mark equals 64. Excellent. And that does look 64-ish, 64 degrees. All right, that's this video. We will pick it up on the next one.